5 tips for a healthy liver. Number 1. Limit alcohol intake. Excess alcohol can actually damage liver cells, leading to cirrhosis of the liver. Cirrhosis of the liver is swelling and scarring of the liver tissues. Number 2. Follow medication instructions. One of the main functions of the liver is to detoxify chemicals and break down drugs. High doses of certain meds can actually damage liver cells. Example, Tylenol, some steroids and birth control, and illicit drugs. Number 3. Practice safe sex. According to the Center of Disease Control and Prevention, hepatitis B, which is inflammation of the liver, is transmitted through infected blood, semen, and other body fluids, but not by casual contact like kissing and sharing utensils. Number 4. Avoid pollutants and toxins. Limit direct contact with toxins from insecticides and aerosol products. These are not only bad for your lungs, but also your liver. Number 5. Eat foods that cleanse your liver. Try to eat a balanced meal daily, and of course a diet filled with fruits and vegetables. Why is it important to love your liver? 1. Your liver filters your blood. 2. Your liver stores glycogen as backup fuel for when your glucose is low. It breaks down fat and aids in digestion. It stores vitamins and minerals. Your liver has over 500 functions. If you want to learn more about your liver, please leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.